Hey guys, in this video I'll be taking you through how you can earn more with the BYBIT copy trading. Now before I continue, I would like to announce the winner of the BYBIT giveaway from my last video. If this is your UID from the BYBIT platform, please contact me via email, telephone, Telegram, or any social media handle that you know. You can also contact me through Twitter. Also, if you're interested in winning the giveaway prize, simply look through the description. You will find the instruction on how you can compete. Good luck, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the simple ways you can set up your copy trading. When you set up your copy trading properly, you will make more profit and you will get good results. So watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of it. I'll walk you through how you can set up your copy trading so that it will be profitable for you. When you get to the BYBIT website, you come straight to this menu that says derivatives. Once you click on derivatives, you will find where it says copy trading. Or you can scroll down the website where it says discover more products. You will find copy trading. Copy trading will be the very first one. The second one will be to earn. The third one will be the trading bot. And the last one will be buy starter. Now we're going to be taking on copy trading. I've done a video on trading bot. So if you're interested in trading bot as well, where you're able to set a trading bot to do your trading for you and earn you more profit. Look out for the video. Check the video on my channel. You will find the video there. Now to start this, you simply click on see more. On this page, you will find list of top master traders. These are people who are already making profit through their trading. You can simply copy their signals and trade alongside them. The beautiful thing about copy trading is that you do not need to know exactly how to read the chart or how to go about checking the profitable coins to trade with. You simply come to copy trading, look for one of the best trade masters and copy their trading. Now if you look here, the first line you see is the top traders. There are a whole lot of top traders here that you can choose from. And the simple way to choose these top traders or any trader at all is you look at their performance. Now this is number 1 on the list and number 2, 3 and so on. Now when you look at number 1, you will see that he's got 177 followers. His return on investment in the past 7 days has been above 126%. His RI for 90 days above 161%. When you look at the assets under management, you will find out that he's managing above $4,500. Now the next guy has his return in investment over 110%, while he's actually managing funds over $35,000. But unfortunately, you can't copy his trading at the time of this recording because he already has 100 followers, which is the maximum he wants to maintain. Now the next guy has 49,000 as his assets under management. He has over 29% ROI in 7 days and over 149% in 90 days. So on and on, you keep looking at the ones you want to select. Once you find a good one, you just select. Now, when you go down, you also find some other copy traders with high profits. They also have high followership. So it all depends on which you want to select. Now, let me take one person for an example. For the purpose of this video, I will be selecting this number 1. You can select anybody. It doesn't have to be what I have selected here. Now, when you want to select any of them, you just simply click on copy. Now, remember that you need to have created your account with BYBIT and also you need to have performed your KYC. Then also, most importantly, you must have made a deposit into your wallet. Now, over here, his statistics will be on the left-hand side, while on the right-hand side is where you are needed to provide details. Now the first column here, you are expected to provide the amount of investment you wish to take, which means if you need to trade with $500, all you need to type in is 500. If you need to trade with $200, you just simply type in $200. If you don't have any crypto in your wallet, you could simply click on this button here that says deposit and you go ahead and deposit into your wallet, or you click on transfer so that you can move your coin from the funding account into derivative account. Now the next column is called the copy stop loss. Copy stop loss simply means the amount that you're willing to lose. Now this amount also triggers a stop in your trading, which means once you have lost the defined amount of money, your trading automatically will stop. Now once you have keyed in these two columns, you simply agree to this and then click on copy now. But if you need more settings, then you click on that button and come down here to say follow master trader settings. Now you have another option here that says cross margin or isolated, but I will advise you leave the first option that says follow master trader settings, because obviously he is the one that you want to copy his trading. The next column you have to set your maximum position, and the next column you set your maximum daily positions. But for a starter and for those that are just starting in trading, I will advise you don't go into more settings. Just maintain the first two columns that says your investment and then your copy stop loss. Once you're done with this, you simply click on copy now. Once you have done that, immediately your copy trading is initiated, and anytime the master trader that you have copied from initiates any trade, your trading will automatically and immediately follow suit. It will just start trading by itself. You do not need to show, you do not need to do any other thing other than just watch your money grow. Now, if you have any questions or you want me to explain anything or show more on this copy trading, please leave a comment in the comment section. And also don't forget, if you want to be part of the giveaway, go through the description and find the instructions. Now, good luck to everybody and congratulations to my winner. I'll be selecting the next winner in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was very educative to you. If you found it very interesting, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow us. See you guys in the next video.